If you're not one that likes to be around nature, you want to be out in nature maybe, but not totally immersed in it, there's a new trailer design that might fit your fancy, as we like to say. Studio 5's Chelsea Fairborn got a preview.
Summer is in full swing, and if you haven't already, now's the perfect time to capitalize it and pack your family up. Head to one of Utah's state parks. Brett Parris with Parris RV has a great option for us. What can you tell us about the Mesa Ridge?
Yeah, you know, we are really super lucky here in Utah to have 44 state parks, right? I mean, absolutely incredible. You take your family, you take something like this Mesa Ridge, you head out and go see them. This is a 2021 Mesa Ridge 2402 BH, and that BH stands for bunkhouse.
On the towing side of things, what do you need to have to tow something like this?
Yeah, so this weighs just over 6,000 pounds, which really means that pretty much every half-ton compatible vehicle will handle this. It's lightweight, easy to tow. You've got a power awning on the outside, which is huge. I mean, they really used about the very largest awning you could put on a trailer like this with a nice LED light. It's got two entrances, which I like because, you know, mom and dad, while the kids are sleeping, can sneak in and out of the bedroom maybe early in the morning or at night. And then I love that outside kitchen. I mean, you've got two kitchens, but boy, they really went overboard on this outside kitchen. It's got a stove. It's got a sink, which, you know, you think about your kids out here getting dirty, they can put their hands in there, wash them.
Before they head back inside.
Yeah, don't have to go inside to wash hands. You just do it right out here. Of course, you've got that fridge right there. Put your favorite beverages in there. And then don't forget about that barbecuer. So you've got a barbecuer and a stove on the outside, and I think it's absolutely incredible.
I think that's a huge selling point because you're going to have some prep work that goes on inside the trailer and outside, and you're not cramped in that space trying to make everything happen. Come mealtime, I think that's an awesome feature. What about inside? What are some of the main takeaways that you can get from this?
Yeah, so the inside's got two great big double-sized beds, bunk beds in the back, so you can sleep 4 kids or, maybe even newlyweds can sleep back there.
Okay.
You know, you got two double-sized bunks. You've got a great big slide out on the side with a great big U-shaped dinette. That'll make down for a good-sized bed. And then you've got a private bedroom for mom and dad with an island queen bed on the inside. Again, like I said, with that separate door. You've got a great big L-shaped kitchen. So you've got plenty of counter space and plenty of room in there. And don't forget, this is a dog-friendly trailer.
That's what I wanted to ask you more about. So when you say dog-friendly, what does that mean? What are the features that they've added in for that?
You know, RVing in general is a pet-friendly thing, right? You can take your dog with you. You know, like if you think about a hotel, a lot of times you can't take your dog there.
Right.
If you've got a trailer, you can put it in a place, hook it up to power, leave the air conditioning on, let your dog stay in there while you go do something else. But yeah, RVers are pet-friendly people, and this trailer's pet-friendly. It's got, you know, no carpet in the inside. It's all linoleum, so it's easy to sweep out. It has no vents in the bottom of the floor, so their nails won't get caught in it. It's even got its own little kennel built in underneath the master bed. There's a door you can open up with a little pet bed in there, and then it's got a little opener here on the outside that looks like a paw for opening up your bottles.
There you go.
Cool feature.
I appreciate the attention to detail and the thoughtfulness that has gone into the design here. If people want to get more information about this trailer or the other trailers that you have, where can they go?
Yeah, Parris RV has 2 great locations in Murray on State Street, centrally located in Salt Lake County. This particular one is at 4360 South State, or really the best way is just shop online at parrisrv.com.
Okay, thanks so much, Brett.
Thank you.
Back to you in the studio.
Very nice. Chelsea, thank you.